Before you begin upgrading the firmware on the DWL access points, take note of the following. While the firmware is upgrading, the wireless service will be disrupted for about 12 minutes. To upgrade your access point firmware from the wireless controller, click on the Maintenance tab. Select AP Firmware Download, then choose the Add New Firmware. In the AP Firmware Download page, you can specify the model and upgrade type. You can upgrade firmware from a USB drive connected to the controller or by HTTP via a local folder. If using TFTP, it needs an extra TFTP server in the local folder. In this example, we use HTTP to upgrade the firmware. Paste the firmware file name and click Save. To limit the number of access points being upgraded at the same time, right-click on the firmware upgrade entry. Select Upgrade. Choose the firmware upgrade file and upload it. Then enter the number of access points that can be upgraded at the same time in the Group Size field. You can select the APs you want to upgrade by highlighting them in the Managed APs window. Or you can turn on All Managed APs to upgrade firmware on all APs of the model type previously selected. Then click Save. When one group completes the upgrade, the next group begins the process. To check the access point firmware upgrading status, click on the AP Firmware Status tab. And you're done.